Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome. I hope you return as a family member. Happy Tablescape Tuesday, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself, and the Grace Life DIY home decor. Today I'm going to start off by styling my credenza to give you a little inspiration for the upcoming holiday, St. Patty's Day. So go ahead, sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this together. And I'll meet you back in a little bit. On my credenza, I have a beautiful gold tray that I picked up at Home Goods some time ago. And on top of that, some beautiful green glassware that I thrifted, and also a thrifted decanter. In my gold lantern that I also picked up at Home Goods, I DIY'd last year some florals by painting them green and edging them out with some gold glitter. In my champagne bucket, I have a nice bottle of bubbly and some gold beads. For my place setting, I've come in with a gold charger on top of a green placemat, a green grass mat on top of that, and some beautiful leaf printed plates with a gold edge. So there we have it, some St. Patty's Day inspiration. And I hope you enjoyed the credenza and tablescape styling today, and that it gives you inspiration. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you and getting your feedback. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And if you're not a part of the Amethyst Adventures family yet, honey, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.